In recent years, the intermodal industry has been automating their facilities. This requires thermal protection for PCs, network connections, cameras, and other heat-sensitive electronics. As well, the cabinet in which this equipment is housed needs to be maintained to its proper environment rating. Due to its reliability across different ambient conditions, thermoelectric technology is often desired for automation controls cooling. And TECA enclosure coolers offer the best value for size, performance, energy efficiency, and quality. TECA originated thermoelectric cabinet coolers back when we were part of BorgWarner. And we continue to lead today with innovative products. What is thermoelectric cooling? In a nutshell, it is a solid-state method of heat transfer. Also called the Peltier effect, a thermoelectric cooler has no moving parts other than its fans, and it uses no freon or other refrigerants. Due to its solid-state nature, it is known to have a long service life, and it is safe for the environment. Long preferred for its reliable performance in harsh and outdoor environments, TECA's small, powerful, and affordable thermoelectric cooling products frequently serve intermodal automation projects and other railway applications where electronics require cooling. As an added advantage, TECA enclosure coolers have built-in temperature controllers. These include our unique Eco-Mode control feature, which can lower operation cost by limiting the need for active cooling. Control cabinets are crucial to prevent from overheating. Equipment damage or downtime can have negative consequences on transit systems as a whole. Tough ambient environments can threaten control cabinet interiors with high temperatures, dirt, and even sea spray and blowing sand. In rail yards, TECA's outdoor coolers maintain cabinet ratings up to IP66. TECA enclosure coolers protect heat-sensitive parts and can meet cooling needs of anywhere from 100 BTUs per hour to 6,000 BTUs per hour. TECA has the broadest collection of thermoelectric cooling products worldwide, and we manufacture everything in our Chicago factory. We have been perfecting the thermoelectric enclosure cooler since we introduced it to the market over 30 years ago. Trust TECA's American manufacturing skills and the quality that comes from our decades of experience and thoughtful component sourcing. Automation is happening everywhere. Protect your equipment with TECA cooling products. Contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you.